Hello children, take out your Grow with Grammar book. Open page number 5, chapter 1, the sentence. We use words when we say something. We use these words in groups. To say something, we are using a group of words. Okay? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Now, read the following group of words. Here is a group of words. Boy, Raj, is. Children, do these words make sense? No, they don't make sense. Now, read the same words in another order. You have to read the same words in another order. See, Raj is a boy. Raj is a boy. These words make complete sense, isn't it, children? Yes, these words make complete sense. A group of words, when joined together to make a complete sense, is called a sentence. Okay? A group of words, when joined together to make a complete sense, is called a sentence. Children, you have to always remember the sentence must begin with a capital letter. Whenever you start a sentence, you should begin with a capital letter. Second one is a full stop, which is dot, must be placed at the end of the sentence. After completing a sentence, you have to place a full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay, children? Now, rewrite each sentence. Begin with the capital letter. They have given 8 sentences. You have to write each sentence starting with the capital letter. You have to begin the sentence with capital letter. So, this is cow eats grass. They have given C, small c, right? You have to write a capital C. Cow eats grass. You have to write it here. He is my father. H you have to write capital H. He is my father. The same way, complete all the sentences. You begin it with capital letters. Okay, children? So, now next page. A sentence is a group of words that has meaning and makes sense. Children, by heart this sentence and understand it. If I ask what is a sentence means, you have to write this answer. A sentence is a group of words that has meaning and makes sense. Okay? Now children, look at the pictures and read the group of words given below. Okay? They have given pictures. Now you have to read the group of words given below each picture. Okay? For this one, Rani and Neha badminton play. This is are flying birds. Skipping girls, these are. Rises sun, east, the, in, the. Children, you read all these 4 sentences, right? Do this group of words make any sense? No. Yes, correct. No, they are not making any sense. Now, read the same group of words arranged in a different order. Now, they have given it in a different order. See, Rani and Neha play badminton. Yes, Rani and Neha play badminton. This sentence makes some sense. Correct, children? See, next one. Birds are flying. See here, birds are flying. These girls are skipping. These girls, what they are doing? They are skipping. So, these girls are skipping. This one, The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Correct. Now what do you think, children? Do these group of words make any sense? Yes, they do. These words in part B are rearranged in proper order, so they make complete sense. So they are called, what they are called? They are called sentences. Okay. Children, there are some rules to remember when you write a sentence. There are 3 rules you have to remember while writing a sentence. Okay. See, as I already told you, the sentence always begins with a capital letter. You have to write a capital letter in the beginning. You have to begin it with a capital letter. You have to begin the sentence with a capital letter. Yes. Okay. The second one is, a sentence always ends with a full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark. Correct, no children? As I already told you in the previous page, see, a full stop must be placed at the end of the sentence. Always, to complete a sentence, you have to place a full stop at the end of the sentence. Full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. This you will learn in coming classes. Okay. See, a sentence always contains a verb or doing word. Okay, children. A verb or a doing word means, see here. Rani and Neha play, Rani and Neha play badminton. What they are doing? Playing. Okay. The sentence always contains a doing word. See here also. What is this? Birds are, what they are doing? Flying, isn't it? So, flying is a doing word. Sentence always contains a doing word. Here, what the girls are doing? They are skipping. Here, sun is rising. Sun rises in the east. Correct. So, the sentence always contains a verb or doing word. These 3 rules you have to remember when you write a sentence, children. Understood? I will ask, what are the 3 rules when you write a sentence? That time you have to answer these 3. Okay? Now it's a activity time. So children, rearrange the words to make meaningful sentences. See, here they have given a group of words which does not make any sense. Okay? No meaning is coming in this sentence. See, lion, den, leaves, a, in, a. Is this group of words giving any sense? No. So, you have to rearrange it in a proper way. Okay? Proper order to make a complete sentence. To make a meaningful sentence. Okay, children? Lion, den, leaves, a, in, a. So, what will be the answer? Yes, correct. A lion lives in a den. Okay? You have to write it in a proper order. A lion lives in a den. You have to write the sentence in a proper order. Okay? In the same way, next one. 6 legs has an ant. This group of words are not in a proper order, which is not giving any sense. So, for the meaningful sentence, you have to rearrange it in a different order. Okay? An ant has 6 legs. Now you are finding a meaningful sentence. Correct. So, an ant has 6 legs. So, children, you write it here and complete all this in a proper order. Okay, children? Write it in this book only. Okay? Bye.